today I got something different. I bought a violin. Now I don't know anything about violins. It's not the instrument that's calling me the most, but my girlfriend, she really enjoys like violins, I guess, and she wants to give it a go. So that's why I bought it. But now I need to try it before I give it to her. See if it works. See if I can make any sounds with it. First, let's just open the thing. So there it is. Just bought that used on eBay, and let's see what it looks like. Ooh, it's not a good start, actually. There it is. There's the bow right there, violin, and I got the bridge and rosin. That's for the bow, I guess. Now I don't know if it's not symmetrical. There's one side that's lower than the other one. Okay, I just looked on YouTube and it's okay. It's not meant to be symmetrical. So the low side goes on the right hand side, which would be that side, and it'll go in between those two little notches, I guess. Okay, I got rosin on the bow. I got the oh crap. Thought it was tuned, but the bridge is it's not gonna work. Let me do it again. Okay, so I did look up how to hold the bow, and the violin should be going over there. I'll just try open strings. Good luck. Ew. Okay. Yeah, I never played that. Does it show? Really? Okay, now let's first link on YouTube. I don't even know where the notes are. Okay, wait, I'm not done. It's so hard. Okay, can't talk anymore. I can't speak. I'm like, poof. Oh. Okay, let's try something else. Wait, where's YouTube? There you go. Oh, okay. Yeah, you'll know this one. You won't recognize it, but you'll know it. Maybe that's not tight enough. Let's blame the instrument when it doesn't work. Yeah, this part's easy. I can do it. Okay. Here it comes. Alright. Try something else. Yeah. Sounds like my violin is sick. It's like it's got the coronavirus for sure. Because, yeah, there's something wrong with it. Maybe not. Thanks for watching. That was fun.